The Marina Del Rey Hospital HealthCast, featuring the doctors of Marina Del Rey Hospital.
All right, let's go out to the phones. Let's talk to Mark. Mark, you're on with Dr. Jeremy Korman. What's your question?
Dr. Korman, my insurance requires me to complete a 6-month weight management program. I'm not sure what that means. Could you tell me a little bit about what that would require?
Sure. Good morning, Mark. It's good to hear from you. Right. There are certain basic requirements that every patient who goes through surgery has to go through. And then each individual insurance sort of has their own criteria. 6 months is one of the more rigorous set of requirements, but that we're familiar with. Typically, that's going to require a monthly meeting with a nutritionist, and that's something that we provide in our program. A monthly meeting over 6 months straight for you to complete that requirement. What the insurance wants to see is a level of commitment, number one, because commitment to follow-up is going to be necessary for your good outcome. And number two, what the insurance wants to see is that a patient who's well-informed going into the surgery so that by the time they have surgery, they can recover quickly and do well with it.
Does that answer your question, Mark?
Yes, it does. Thank you.
All right, thank you very much.
Thank you, Mark.
That makes sense, Dr. Korman. You know, you don't want to just jump in to having a weight loss surgery. As you know, in order for somebody to get obese and to be overweight, they obviously got there for a reason, and it was a steady procedure to gain all that weight. You just can't come in and get a quick fix. You have to kind of take baby steps in order, to relieve that surgery.
Right. We think that that's reasonably appropriate. We don't want some of the requirements to be a hurdle and a barrier. So 6 months is sort of, I consider, sort of on the edge of being a barrier. But yes, I think it's responsible, and certainly we wouldn't go into a surgery without educating a patient appropriately, and that does take some time, even in the best case scenario.
The Marina Del Rey Hospital HealthCasts, featuring the doctors of the Marina Weight Loss Center. For more information on any of the topics discussed or to schedule a consultation, please call the Marina Weight Loss Center helpline at 310-577-5540 or go to marinaweightloss.com.